चिड़िया चूं चूं करती है, भंवरे गाना गाते हैं। चिड़िया चूं चूं करती है, भंवरे गाना गाते हैं. Hello my dear children, today I am here to teach you how to make a bird. I hope you can see this bird. So let's start with it. Now I will be telling you the material which we need for making this bird. A color paper. If you don't have color paper, need not worry, you can make with the newspaper also. For making the eyes of the bird, you can use the white paper. If you are not having white paper, if you are having the eyeballs as you were getting in your craft book, you can use the eyeballs also, and some other color for making the beak of the bird. Like here I have used the red color. So let's start with it. So what you need to do is, this is the color paper. I am going to take a bangle and I am going to make a circle here. You can take any round object which has to be bigger in size and you need to cut it. Now you can see this circle. What I am going to do is, this is a circle, just I am going to fold this paper. My circle is still here and back side you can see there is one more paper. What I am going to do is, I am going to cut the circle. Now my circle is ready. I have two circles now. Now what else I need is, I will keep the circle aside. Now I need a small circle, a very small one, so that I can draw with my hand. Okay. So this circle is also done. So now even my this circle is ready. What else we need next? We need the beak of the bird. So instead of wasting the whole paper, I will just fold it from the corner. Okay. I will fold it from the corner, and from here I am going to cut it in a triangle. The triangle has to be quite big and I am cutting it. So you can see I got the two beaks. So even this is ready. Now what else I need? I need the eyes of the bird. So I will take a white paper. In the same way, I am not going to waste the whole paper. From the side, again I am going to make a very small circle. Then I am going to cut this. So now you can see even my eyes are ready. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to draw a black dot in between, a small black circle. Okay, same in the another one. Okay, so So even this is done. Now we need a small tail for our bird. So the leftover paper on the side you can see here already have cut a circle. So from side only without the wasting paper I will be taking a small piece of paper. Fine. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it. Not completely, but okay. And if you can do with your hand, just roll a little. How to roll it? Just so vice versa. I have just folded the or rolled the paper like this. Now the circle which we have cut in the starting, we will fold it. Not from the center, complete center, but from the side. Okay. And this small area we are going to cut it cross. Okay, and in the same way just we'll bend it on the upward sides. Okay, this is done. Now same with another circle, not a complete center. Again we are going to, now you can see I have cut it the both the circle. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to put some Fevicol on this side. And to the end of the circle I'm just going to paste it. Okay, then the face or the small circle which we made, we are going to put it here in the center. Okay, and the tail, this we are going to put it in the center. Fine, this is halfway. Now what I'm going to do, we have made the eyes, right? So I'm going to put the Fevicol on it and I'm going to paste it in the same way on the other side. And I'm going to paste it. Now it's time for the beak. After pasting the beak, our bird is ready. चिड़िया चू चू करती है, भंवरे गाना गाते हैं. So what we have made today, we have made a bird. So now I want you all to prepare a bird like this and send me your pictures. And I will be teaching you what we are going to do next.